Hi, I'm Diana Bournes, president at Ascendle. It's so easy to focus on the latest technology trends, right? AI is everywhere. Not a day goes by where we don't have a client or prospect telling us that, hey, my board came to me and asked, when are we implementing AI into our product? That is not how you should lead with a new initiative. You need to be thinking about the why, thinking about the what, and then the technology is the how. People think that the technology is the biggest risk, but it's actually not. The biggest risk is that you will build the wrong thing. We recommend that you approach it starting with the customer, and it's about business outcomes, not outputs. Let me say that again. Think about the outcomes for your customers, not just the outputs from your efforts. By being customer obsessed, you will end up with the best possible product. Sometimes it's really helpful to bring in an outside perspective. So if you're working with a vendor, they should be doing a lot of work to understand your domain. No one knows your domain and your clients as well as you do, but sometimes that outside perspective and asking questions from a different perspective really helps to bring the right solution to light. The goal is not to build the coolest software in the world. The goal should be to solve your client's biggest problems.